Today, I'll walk you through how to embed widgets to Notion using Indify, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your Notion pages with interactive widgets so you can create a more dynamic workspace. First, let's get started by navigating to your Notion page. Open your Notion application and select the page where you want to add your widget. This could be an existing page or a new one that you create specifically for this purpose. Once you're on your chosen page, let's give it a title. For this example, I'll name it Widget. This title will help you identify the page later on. It's like putting a label on a box so you know what's inside. Now, from the body of the page, type the command /embed. This action prompts a pop-up box to appear, allowing you to paste the link of your desired widget. Think of it as opening a door to a new feature that you want to bring into your workspace. Next, head over to Indify, which is the platform where you can find various widgets. Once you find the widget you want, copy its link. Now return to Notion and paste that link into the URL box that appeared earlier. This is where the magic happens. Once you've pasted the link, click on the Embed Link button. This action will integrate the widget into your Notion page, making it interactive and functional. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the process remains the same. After you click on Embed Link, you should see your widget appear on the page. This is a great way to personalize your Notion workspace and make it more visually appealing, similar to adding a beautiful plant to your office to liven up the space. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a widget into your Notion page using Indify. This simple process can significantly enhance your productivity and organization within Notion. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.